Good morning. It's day 27 of the 30-day challenge, and having done our monkey 1 and 2 yesterday, we're only on day 2 of monkey, but here we are looking at monkey 3. So monkey 3, on one level, we're going to dance. Monkey is irreverent, so we need to learn how to do the monkey dance, and today's the basic steps. On another level, the kind of story arc level of monkey having completed the quest or connected to spirit with the deer. Monkey breaks things up, smashes things up, breaks the rules. Where do your rules come from? Yeah, your own mind often, isn't it? How do we break the rules? Rip off your head or the opponent's head. Yeah, so this is learning a basic step of what's going to be a very interesting couple of days coming up for monkey 4. But monkey 3, let's learn the basic steps of the dance, and let's learn how to take off the head. Yeah. We'll do some warm-ups first. Yeah, monkey, the key requirements from a working point of view. Remember yesterday, stay still in the center, move around it. We have that. And we also have cross connections. So let us look at the cross connections. We did this earlier in the 30 days. So I won't spend too long doing it, but this is a good thing to practice before you launch into monkey. So let's have our left hand on our belly button and the right hand over the top. And then we're going to pull the left hand down to the inguinal crease and the right hand up to the inside of the shoulder. Yeah. And then we could just repeat that side. So left hand down to the inguinal crease, right hand up to the shoulder. And as you do so, the right hand comes up and we turn right. Yeah. So face the front, turn right, and expand down into the inguinal crease and up into the shoulder. Yeah. So down, up, down, expand diagonally, come back to the center, expand diagonally, come back to the center, expand diagonally, come back to the center. Okay, and then this time, when you come back to the center, put the right hand underneath, okay, and change. So the right hand comes down to the right inguinal crease, the left hand comes up to the left shoulder, and we come back. Yeah, the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Expand diagonally, turn the waist, but try to maintain a still center. Okay, so let us work like this. The hand coming down from the top, so is the right. We have the right on the top, the left down. We come down to the center, bring the right hand underneath, and then go the other way. Left hand comes up, right hand goes down. Come back to the center, and the hand coming down from the top comes underneath, and then we expand this way. So the hand coming down from the top comes underneath, and we go this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So cross connections, but keep your center line. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, let's come back down. Okay, so that is a good warm-up to get your body working, yeah, in the monkey way. We'll go straight into monkey 3 and taking off the head and getting the basic step of the dance. So we start like this, feet together, hands at sternum. Okay, and let's allow the left hand to come away and up at head height and then wrap over the top. Yeah, I'm not sure how clear that is from a distance, but the left hand comes away and wraps over like that at head height. Yeah. At the same time, this hand will, the right hand moves away. Okay, so that looks like there. Yeah. They are in the palms kind of face each other, yeah, like that, and then they come back to here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2. Your cross connections, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and now on the other side, so the right hand comes up and reaches over. At the same time, the left hand, make sure it's always facing it. Yeah, so palms together, there, yeah, palms together, there, internally, there, yeah, turning, turning, turning. Okay, so turning, back, turning, back, turning, back. Reach over the head, grab it, face it, come back, turn, yeah, 1, 2, sorry, that's that 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that is your arm movement. We're going to add the opposite foot. Okay, so as we reach out, let's come back to the left arm. As we reach out with the left, the right is going to step sideways to its tiptoes. Okay, so that looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Yeah. The other side. So the right arm. We're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can step a little bit behind, step to tiptoes, and the waist turns that way. Yeah, so that way. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now we practice doing both. So 1, left hand comes out, right foot goes out. 2, the other side, right hand comes out, left foot comes out. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay. We are just but one step away from monkey 3. So we're reaching out with the left arm, stepping back with the right foot, making sure the palms are now facing. We are going to bring that heel down, drag the left foot in, and bring your left hand to your right pocket, and the right hand at the same time comes up and is in front of your face. Yeah. So the left hand was up, the right hand was down here. Left hand comes down to the right pocket, right hand comes up to the face. And here the front foot is on tiptoes and we are in our right foot, the back foot. Okay. To come out of it, we step back from where we came, bring the hands wide, step back in. Okay. Let's try a couple of times on that side again. So the left hand reaches out, the right foot comes out, it's tiptoes. This hand is making sure to face that hand. Then we place our weight to there, drag back the left foot, put the left hand into your right pocket and push up the right palm. Yeah. We then step back from where we came whilst opening the hands to here. Step back in and close. Okay, so it goes left hand up, right foot out to tiptoes, transfer the weight, bring the left foot back, put the left hand into your right pocket and the right hand comes up. This stays on tiptoes. Okay, step back to where we came from, step wide and step in. Okay, look at that one slowly on the other side. So the right hand reaches out now as the left foot goes out. Yeah, so at the same time, starts on tiptoes. The hands have coordinated, so they are facing each other. Yeah, 1, 2, and the waist is turning. Yeah, all of that happens, and then we plant the left foot down, drag the right towards it, and end up on tiptoes. The right hand goes into the left pocket, and the left hand comes up to just below the eyes for the fingertips. Okay. Then we step out, back from where we came, and step in. Yeah. So right hand up as the left foot goes out. Excuse me. Bring your weight into the left, drag the right foot back. Right hand goes into left pocket, left hand comes up. Okay. Step back from where we came and wide with the hands, step in. Yeah. One more time. Left hand and left foot and right hand. Change weight and drag, and then here. Stepping wide. Okay. The waist turns like that. Open, come back, and then the waist turns as we make that move. Yeah. Step back and to the front. Okay, so that is slowly, bit by bit, how to get all the parts. And now, let's put it together as monkey 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to here. And having played around, come back to your awareness into your chest. Sensations of the body inside the chest. Okay, so that's monkey 3. It's really important you learn the choreography of monkey 3. Okay, because this off with the head move, yeah, is important for monkey 4 and monkey 5. This stepping one side to the other, yeah, is important. Monkey 4 is going to get tricky. That's why we donate 2 days to monkey 4. Yeah, so maybe from this angle. Right. So here it is, yeah, and here it is. This is what it looks like. And then we come back, and then from this angle, from this angle, 1, 2, yeah, here it is, here it is, yeah, 1, we open, and 2, we close, yeah, and from the other side, 1, we open, and 2, we close, yeah, opening, turn the waist, 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 turn. Okay, monkey 3. We need to smash things up, start to dance, take off the head, break all the rules. Have fun, and like I said, do make sure you learn that choreography well. You've got to get this one into your body. You've got to get comfortable with it, and importantly, become still with it. Yeah. Yeah. Still in the center as we move. Do these movements. Yeah. Can you see that? That's key. Yes, we're going to move a bit, but we want this stillness in the center. So yeah, work on it until you know that choreography really well. So do work hard, but have fun. I did say things start to get fun, complicated, interesting at the end. This one is really a key building block. So have fun with that, and good luck.